Almighty for passing 100. Oh my God, amoy America! Whoa, hang on a second. Oops, wrong channel. Sorry guys, let me fix that real quick. That's better. Well, if you want to see more vlogs, make sure to follow my second channel. Self-promo there, huh? Well, let's get into the video. Thank God I don't have a pimple anymore. Not like in the other vlog. You can see that I have a pimple. I have a pimple. I have a pimple. Hey everyone, it's Siege. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, this is pretty different from my usual content considering for the fact that it's animation and gacha edits, but yeah, I'm filming this because something just came. Oh my gosh, I'm still in shock right now, honestly. I still can't believe I have this thing with me. This actually came 2 days ago, but I didn't open it yet because I kind of promised my family that I'm gonna celebrate with them, which is why I'm vlogging right now. We're gonna be going to another family day since it's Sunday again. In the last vlog, we went to the restaurant my grandparents own. And now we're gonna be going to the resort this time. So yes, we're gonna swim. At least they are gonna swim, not me. But yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing this thing right there, and see you later, I guess. Say hi, brother. Okay, let's go. This is our living room, by the way. This house is actually older than my dad, so yeah, it's old. We live in a simple life. We got pizza! Okay, we stopped by at the restaurant because we are actually gonna get something. I'm gonna go down in a while. Actually stopped by at the restaurant. Oh, if you want to say hi, please say hi. Hi. You were talking about that a while ago. We actually stopped by at the restaurant because we are actually gonna get something. Oh yeah, we are gonna. Also, the desserts are at the back. Nandun kay mommy. Oh, no, asan siya? Nandun sa likod. Nandun sa likod.
Hindi ka naintindihan. Patuloy ko. Hindi ka naintindihan. At the back, sabi nga.
Oh, chill. Chill lang po kayo. Chill lang po. The waiters here are really funny. Okay, so my cousins are actually outside. They are actually looking for me. Look at that. My cousins are literally... Oh my god, did they literally... Okay. Okay, let's see how this goes, okay? Let's see how this goes. What the actual heck? Take two. Oh my god. Guys, wish my cousin a happy birthday, please. Ow! I'm gonna get wet. Hey, this is my niece.
So hey guys, welcome to CHYT. Hey, let go. So welcome to my daily vlogs. So right now I will announce CHYT's new giveaway. What's your new giveaway? So for a lucky subscriber, we will give away.
Shout out to
Lucky subscriber will get a free PS5.
What?
So just follow.
I'm trying to save
just
up. Come
follow.
on. That was unexpected. Don't believe it, guys. I'm not Mr. Beast. Ask that to Mr. Beast, not me.
Ate Chloe,
Hey, yeah?
we're having swimming lessons by ourselves.
Oh, really? That's
I
nice.
want to show you something. Look at me.
Okay, go. Oh, wow. Go. Oh, wow. Man, you guys are good. Be careful. I'm literally getting wet. Did great. That's good. Good job. Okay, since everybody is done, I guess it's the perfect time to unbox. Let's go!
Mag-unbox din kami syempre.
O sila muna mag-unbox. Here's the play button, guys. Here's the play button.
What do we do?
Here's the play
Brian
button.
can like the play button. Don't touch.
Thank you eBay and Amazon for the.
Ay, magulo kayo, wala kayong pera.
Good thing you make animations, not unboxing videos.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Wow!
Wala.
Ay, wala.
Scam. It's a prank.
Oh my! This award is inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Who's Rick?
Who's Rick? I'm Rick. There's Rick. Hey.
Should I read this aloud? Some 100,000 subscribers.
100,000!
Send your wait. I'm stuttering. After all, there are countless other times I don't know how to read. We can't wait to see what you can do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. Oh my God, okay.
Can you read?
Oh my God.
You read first, you read.
Presented to CHYT for passing 100.
Okay, oh my God.
That is my circle. Here's that
Oh my God. Oh my God, amoy America!
Smile, smile.
Pasok na nga suki! Thank you all for the support. I don't deserve this. Thank you for all the people who supported me along the way. I love you all. See you in